Hello everyone, I'm Mitra from Kids Programming. Today I want to show you how to create a virtual pet in Scratch. So let's get started. First step is to select the backdrop and the sprite. For that I'm choosing monkey. And the backdrop is garden rock. Now for the monkey I'm choosing bananas and a glass of water and a trampoline and a tabla. The second step is when I click this banana, the monkey should come here and play the sound jump. And when this glass is clicked, the monkey should come here. And when this tabla is clicked, the monkey should come here and play the sound tabla. And when I click this trampoline, the monkey should come here and bounce in the trampoline. So for that we have to click this bananas and go to events and bring this when this sprite is clicked, broadcast message 1, new message. The new message name is bananas. And go to the monkey and when I receive bananas, go to motions, glide here and go to sounds, play sound jump and go to motions and glide back here. Now when I click this bananas, see, it plays the sound jump and returns back to its place. Now go to the glass of water. When this sprite is clicked, the monkey should come here and the glass should be empty. So for doing that, when the glass water is clicked, broadcast message, water. Now go to the monkey and go to events. When I receive water, glide here. Wait 1 second. Glide here. And now when I click the glass, it goes to the glass and returns to its place. Now this glass of water should change its costume when this monkey touches it. So for that, we have to go to control, wait 2 seconds and switch costume to water B and wait 1 second, switch costume to water A. Now if I click this glass, see the glass gets empty. Costume to monkey B. Wait 1 second. Switch costume to monkey A. And play sound. High tune tabla. So go to sounds and play sound. High tune tabla. And glide to its place again. Now if I click this tabla, see the monkey bangs on the tabla and it plays the sound high tune tabla and it returns to its place. Now the second step is when I click this trampoline, the monkey should come here and bounce on it and return to its place. So for that, we have to go to the trampoline and go to events. When this sprite is clicked, broadcast a new message, trampoline, and go to the monkey and bring the block. When I receive trampoline, glide to here, glide here, glide here, and return to its place and change its seconds to 0.1 and here also 0.1. Now when I click the trampoline, it bounces on the trampoline and return to its place.